Today, we're diving into the LMR240 low-loss RF coaxial cable by MPD Digital. This cable is designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering impressive characteristics that cater to a wide range of applications. Featuring genuine LMR240 construction from Times Microwave Systems, it boasts an impedance of 50 ohms and a frequency range from DC up to 6 GHz. One of the standout features of this cable is its durable construction. With nickel-plated brass PL259 UHF male connectors, it ensures robust connectivity suitable for CB, ham, UHF, and VHF antennas, as well as various radio transmitters. However, it's important to note that while it performs admirably up to 300 MHz, for higher frequencies, alternatives like N-male connectors are recommended. The cable's ultra-low loss transmission line is perfect for applications demanding improved shielding and minimal signal loss. Whether you're setting up a Wi-Fi hotspot, configuring radio transmitters, or fine-tuning antenna systems, the LMR240 delivers flexibility and reliability. Its outer jacket, made from UV-proof, non-contaminating polyethylene, adds to its longevity and suitability for outdoor use. In terms of specifications, the LMR240 features a foam dielectric that enhances flexibility without compromising on performance. This makes it easier to handle during installations, ensuring smooth routing without sacrificing signal integrity. Its nominal outer diameter of 6.10 mm underscores its versatility, fitting snugly into various setups while maintaining optimal signal transmission. Overall, the LMR240 from MPD Digital stands out as a top choice for those seeking a robust, low-loss coaxial cable. Its combination of high-quality materials, excellent shielding, and ease of handling makes it a go-to solution for demanding applications in the realm of wireless communication and radio frequency transmission. Whether you're an amateur radio enthusiast or a professional installer, this cable is worth considering for your next project.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.